friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a box of 4 delicious drumsticks, Kit Kat, kind of like a drumstick as well, for $1.64 each. That is a phenomenal price point. A couple of you mentioned this to me over on Instagram, and I think it's a solid deal, so we're going to talk about it right off the bat. So we are going to do this deal in store. It must be done in store. And if you're doing a deal with frozen food, I mean, go in store. So you're going to grab 2 of them on a buy one, get one free promotion, which is really fantastic on its own. So what it's working with, from my information, is the drumstick and the Kit Kat, which are both Nestle brand ice creams. So, or a Nestle brand company, but it's got to be the Nestle brand that's on the promotion, buy one, get one free. So you're going to grab 2 of the boxes, pretty easy peasy. Bring them up to the till. Remember, we're doing this in store, and you have to do this by Friday the 30th. Because the register reward will stop printing on that date. So if you want to go on Saturday the 1st, not going to work. So 2 of these at $5.79, and then you're getting back a $2.50 register reward. It's making it $3.29 for the 2, or $1.64 per box. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash, by all means go for it. And to answer one last question, say you wanted to grab 4 boxes. You want to do the deal twice. Would 2 register rewards print out in one transaction? The answer is no. So you'll have to split it up, do 2 in one transaction, 2 in another. Pack a cooler for the back of your car if you really want to stock up on these so they don't melt on your way home. But a great little deal, especially if you have young ones in the house or if this is your favorite dessert. I would stock up sooner than later because this is some tremendous value. We never see ice cream this cheap. This next deal, if you want to do it in store or online, by all means do it in store if you're going to get your ice cream bars. These little 30 count picks that are found in the dollar spot at most Walgreens, we have a 50-cent digital that's attaching, so it'd make it 50 cents for one of these. You throw it in your purse or your car. If you're on that carnivore diet, you know that these are worth their weight in gold and quite valuable. So definitely grab one of these as soon as possible. The coupon expires 3 days. So if this is something you really want to grab for your purse, I love these. Make it happen quickly. Okay, so this is also a weird one, guys. $6.99 off a 2 digital coupon appeared this morning. I haven't seen it all week. And there's a promotion of a $3 register reward when you buy $10 of the Dollar Shave Club. Here is the digital that just showed up. The cheapest is this little shave gel, so we're going to grab 2 of them for this transaction. So guys, because this is a register reward offer, you must do this in store. You can't do it as a curbside pickup, just off the top. So 2 cans of that shaving cream or gel or whatever they call it. It's $12.58. Subtracting your handy dandy $6.99 digital coupon, you're going to get back your $3 register reward, making it $2.59 for the 2 cans, or $1.29 each. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket, by all means go for it. But it's really nice when this Dollar Shave Club stuff is on the cheap. I think they just want people to try it. That's why they've had so many promotions in the last couple weeks. Definitely check your Fetch Rewards account. Sometimes they do deals in concert. Maybe there's a little something extra if you photograph your receipt for that offer. But how lovely is that? With that ice cream deal, bring a cooler and run to the store and make that happen, especially if you love ice cream. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.